Hi guys, if you want to make text vertical in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to the insert section here and then click on drawing and then select the new option. And now the drawing panel will appear. Here you have to simply click on this text box option. And after that, click anywhere in the drawing area. Now here, simply type the text you want to make vertical. Now let's say for the example, I want to type the text my project and make it vertical. So I will type it here. Here it is. And in case if you want to customize your text color, font size or font style, then you can customize it from here as well. So for that, simply select the text. And if you want to change the font style, simply click here. And from here, select any font you want. Let's say I want this font. So I will simply select it and choose the bold. And for other customization, simply click on this three dot icon. And from here, you can do all the customization. From here, you can select the font size. Let's say I want to keep my font this size. From here, you can make your text bold, italic, underlined. And in case if you want to change the color of the text, simply click on this text color option. And from here, select any color you want. Let's say I want to select the blue color. So I will simply select the blue. If you want to highlight your text, for that you can click on this highlight color option. And from here, you can select any highlight color. I want to keep my text like this. So I will keep it simply like this. And once you have made all the customization, now let's see how to make text vertical. So to make the text vertical, simply click on this middle square dot and drag it from right to left side. You can see, and your text will be vertically aligned. Even after making the text vertical, if you want to make any customization, simply click on this three dot icon. And from here, you can change the text color. Or if you want to change the font size, you can change it from here. And when you change the font size, if you see any text are overlapping like this, then again, simply click on this middle square icon and drag it from right to left side. And again, all your text will be vertically aligned. And now to insert it, simply click on save and close option here. And now your vertical text will be inserted into your Google Docs document. You can see. And now to move it and place it anywhere you want, simply click on the text and select this option, break text. Once you select this option, from now on, you will be able to move your vertical text anywhere you want. You can keep it anywhere you like. And if you want to make any changes to your vertical text, either simply double click on it or click on this edit option here. And again, the drawing panel will appear. And from here, you can make any changes you want. To make the changes, simply click on your text and select your text and then click on this three dot icon. And from here, you can make any changes you want. Let's say I want to change my text color and select blue. So I'll simply select the blue. I want to make the text italic. Here it is. And the font a bit smaller. And once all the customization is done, simply click on save and close option here. And again, the vertical text will be inserted into your Google Docs document and you can place it anywhere you want. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily make text vertical in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.